Hey YouTube, this is PrimetimePokemon. In this video, I'll be opening up 9 Pokemon TCG booster packs. And this is another variety booster pack opening that I'm doing for my channel. Have done several recently, and like those videos, I went to Walmart, bought several Pokemon TCG products there, opened them up, and pulled these packs out of those items. So I can go through the packs now. So 2 Steam Siege, 1 BREAKpoint, 1 Breakthrough, 1 Fates Collide, 1 Primal Clash, a little bit older of set here, 1 Evolution, still in the hunt for the Charizard, Rare Reverse Holo, and then 2 Guardians Rising. I think I'll just mix the packs up and then just randomly open the packs in this video. So, first pack here would be Steam Siege, Yveltal Break on the cover artwork. Do like that this set has dual type Pokemon. First card in the first pack is a Drifloon. There's a Marill, Shellos, Mantine, Clink, Shieldon, Steelix Spirit Link, I'm a big fan of Steelix, Flaffy, Reverse Holo of a Hydreigon Break. Excellent start to this opening with a Break Pull. And then the final card in the pack is an Amoonguss, and that is a rare non-holo. But hopefully that first pack with the break in it will lead to some good pulls in the remaining packs. Breakthrough pack now. Not a huge fan of this set overall, but do like Mewtwo quite well. So second pack here starts with a Staryu. There's a Cyndaquil. There's a Panpour, Froakie, Bronzor, Snorlax, huge fan of Snorlax, Heavy Ball, Fracture, Reverse Holo of a Magneton, that is an uncommon, and then the rare here is a Simipour. Guardians Rising pack now, Lycanroc, Midnight Form on the cover artwork. Would love to pull a double colorless energy secret rare or a GX rainbow rare from this pack. So pack starts with a Wailmer. There's a Stuffle, Phantom, Helioptile, Beldum, Darkness type energy, of course, 1 basic energy card in each Sun and Moon series pack, Tentacruel, Max Potion, Machoke, Reverse Holo of an Oricorio, and that is a rare, one of 4 Oricorio cards in this set. And then the final card in the pack is an Alolan Golem, and that is a holo. So, 2 rares in that pack, can't complain there. I'll go right to the second Guardians Rising pack. Hopefully it's just as good or even better as that last one. So this pack starts with a Nosepass, Wimpod, Goomy, Wailmer, there's a Beldum, Golisopod is the Reverse Holo, and of course I did the incorrect card trick, moving the Reverse Holo to the middle of the pack since I did 3 and then 2 instead of 4 and then 2. I'll set that aside. There's a Mareanie, Alamamala, Enhanced Hammer, and I believe if I did the card trick incorrectly, this next card should be the rare. Whoa, it definitely is, and a Metagross GX. Excellent pull right there, and I actually do not think I've pulled this card from a pack. This was the only regular GX I had to purchase for my Guardians Rising complete set. And then the final card in the pack is the Water type energy. So I apologize for doing the card trick incorrectly. My mind was wandering a bit there, and going back and forth between XY series packs and then Sun and Moon series packs. The card tricks are different between the two. One and only Evolutions pack now. Still in the hunt for that Charizard Rare Reverse Holo. Have opened up well over 300 packs and still have not pulled that Charizard from a booster pack. So, Metal type energy here. There's a Growlithe, Ghastly, Charmander, Rattata, Venusaur Spirit Link, Machoke, Super Potion, Reverse Holo of a Blastoise Spirit Link, so the hunt continues. Uncommon trainer here. And the rare in the pack is a Beedrill, a card that I've seen plenty of. In base set, when I opened up those packs a long time ago, it always seemed to get that Beedrill in the rare spot as well. Primal Clash pack now, and I was able to get Primal Clash well over a month early when it was officially released. They released the set early in collector's albums. I actually drove all around the state of Minnesota here and went to probably 10 different Target stores until I finally found a store that had the collector's album in stock early. So first card here is a Volbeat, Nosepass, Spinda, Mudkip, Chinchou, Tentacool, good looking ancient trait card, Vibrava, Professor Birch's Observations, you can get this card in full art form. Grovyle is the reverse holo, uncommon rarity, and the rare here is a Tangrowth. 3 packs left to go. Fates Collide pack here, Zygarde on the cover artwork. Was able to pull an Alakazam, EX full art in a previous variety booster pack opening. Would love to pull something similar to that here. So pack starts with a Fennekin, Solosis, Riolu, Spoink, Diglett, Wormadam, Pokemon Fan Club, Audino Spirit Link, a Mega Audino wouldn't be bad. Cinccino is the reverse holo uncommon rarity, and the rare here is a Lucario. One of 2 Lucario cards in this set. 1 holo, 1 rare non-holo. BREAKpoint pack now. Set is based around Gyarados. Gyarados from base set, the first card that I ever had in my collection. So the BREAKpoint pack starts with an Electabuzz, Numel, Rattata, Petalil, Scorpy, Palpitoad, Potion Trainer, Splash Energy, reverse holo of a Kricketot, common rarity, and the rare is a holo in a Meganium, so a good pull right there. Set that aside, and 1 more pack left to go. Volcanion on the cover artwork of this Steam Siege pack. So, final pack here, and it was a green colored code card, so it could have a break in the pack, but not expecting anything in that final spot. So there's a Litleo, Meryl, Ponyta, Dino, Litwick, Klefki, Lampent, Gardevoir Spirit Link, reverse holo. Ooh, of a Clawitzer break, and I was correct in thinking could be a break card in that reverse holo slot. And then the final card in this opening would be a Talonflame. Very good for the TCG, but a rare non-holo. So I can summarize my pulls now. Very happy with the pulls overall. So 2 rare reverse holos in Glycopod and Oricorio. 2 rare holo cards in Meganium and Alolan Golem. 2 break cards, both from the Steam Siege set in Hydreigon and then Clawitzer. And then easily the best pull of this opening was the Metagross GX. So there you have it. Thanks everyone for watching. As always, before you go, check out all the links in the description of this video, including links to my blog, Facebook, and Twitter pages. And stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.